first week we played RCtf from China, and we placed 37 on this contest. It was pretty hard, but I think our team is evolving a lot. And today I'm going to do a write-up about AMP, web challenge, and let's do it. So we are presented with this screen and we are asked to input our name. So I'm going to do that. So if we look at the source code, we can see a post, a form to post at the same page. And there is the name I put in here. And there is some message about the AMP standard. And there's a reCAPTCHA. So the first thing I tried was to look at the console, and I could see there was a flag cookie. So flag is in admin cookie. So now I know it's a cross-site scripting vulnerability. So after you click on the stop tracking, this information is going to be sent to the challenge, and the admin is going to try to access this page. So when I faced that, I tried a lot of different options for the cross-site script without success, because when I tried to look at curl, let me see. So you can see some content security policy in here. So there is a script source, the nouns, strict dynamic, stylist source, and the safe line. So the first time I saw that, I didn't know what was about, so I had to read a lot, and you could see the cooking here. So after trying a lot of different options to do the cross-site scripting, I decided to take a look at AMP to see what it was about. So if you look at AMP project, so it's an open source initiative to build websites focused on mobile. So I could see a lot of components in here, and I started to try to play with them to see if I could get the flag using one of them. So there are a lot of components in here, and my first try was to use the AMP image. I thought it would be the first candidate to try to do that. So if you can see here, on the name, I tried the AMP image. So layout is a required parameter for this component, and this is the source of the image. And different from the tag image from HTML, this AMP image, you have to close the tag. It's not self-contained one. So, but we tried after trying a lot. I decided to give up on using that tag, and one candidate that I found, let me see here. So this one here, AMP bind. So on this AMP bind, you have access to a JSON object, and you can play with that to change the elements on your page. But to use that, you have to load this script here, and I don't have access to try to load that. And I just discovered that like hours later, trying to include this script. So one thing that helped me to finish this challenge, I discovered a parameter from AMP. So if you put that on your URL, so you can see a lot of different errors for AMP. So by using that, I could be more efficient on what I was trying to do. So my final solution. So I solved all the built-in components. They are four, I think: AMP pixel, AMP image, and AMP layout. So I started to read the documentation about AMP pixel, and one nice thing that I found about it, it was this URL thing. So you have some parameters to use them on the URL. So I took a look at the substitutions guide, and there is this one, client ID. So if you read about it, you can see you have access to the cookies. So my first try was to copy that and see if I could get something. Actually, I just have to repeat pizza. And I'm going to pass the URL of my server. So you can see here the, oh no, it's not working. And this one it was for another test that I've made. So there's client ID. Let me see again the, oh, so I put the wrong argument, so it's source instead of URL. So you can see error here. The source attribute must start with HTTPS. So I'm going to change that. So now you can see the request here with the cookie. So I'm just going to change that to flag. So you can see the cookie in here. And if I try to send that to the admin, after some time, I'm going to receive the cookie in my server. So RCtf, and you have to do the decode of the URL here. And this is the flag. And thanks for watching, and see you on next video.